Welcome to our channel, snack lovers. Let's face it, cravings are a part of life. Whether it's mid-morning hunger, an afternoon energy dip, or late-night munchies, having the right snacks on hand can make all the difference in sticking to your health goals. But healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring. The snacks we'll be sharing today are not only nutritious but also loved by health enthusiasts worldwide for their flavor, convenience, and popularity. If you're looking for snack ideas that nourish your body and satisfy your cravings, you're in the right place. Let's dive into our top 10 picks. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Starting off strong, Greek yogurt with berries is the ultimate guilt-free indulgence. Greek yogurt is packed with protein to keep you full, while fresh berries bring a burst of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural sweetness. It's a perfect combination that balances taste and nutrition. Top it with a sprinkle of granola for added crunch, and you've got a snack that feels like dessert without the guilt. 2. Apple slices with almond butter. This dynamic duo is a classic for a reason. Apples offer natural sweetness and fiber to keep you satisfied, while almond butter adds healthy fats and protein for sustained energy. The combination is not only delicious, but also photogenic, making it a favorite among Instagram foodies and nutrition bloggers. Sprinkle a dash of cinnamon for an added flavor boost. 3. Carrot sticks with hummus. Crunchy, colorful, and loaded with nutrients, carrot sticks dipped in creamy hummus make for a satisfying and healthy snack. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A, while hummus provides plant-based protein and healthy fats. This snack is easy to prepare, portable, and a perfect choice for anyone on the go. Plus, it looks so good that you'll want to snap a picture before digging in. 4. Mixed nuts. When it comes to convenience, mixed nuts are hard to beat. They're an excellent source of healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. A small handful goes a long way in curbing hunger, making them a reliable option for busy days. Just be mindful of portion sizes. These nutrient powerhouses can be calorie-dense. Their satisfying crunch and rich flavors make them a perennial favorite. 5. Popcorn. Who says snacking can't feel indulgent? Air-popped popcorn is a low-calorie, high-fiber option that's perfect for satisfying your salty cravings. Sprinkle it with nutritional yeast for a cheesy, nutrient-packed twist, or add a dash of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a sweet treat. It's a snack that can easily be customized to suit your mood, making it a hit among snack enthusiasts. 6. Hard-boiled eggs. Simple, portable, and protein-packed hard-boiled eggs are a snack that checks all the boxes. They're great for keeping you full and energized, making them a popular choice for athletes and health-conscious individuals. Slice them up and sprinkle with a pinch of salt, pepper, or paprika for extra flavor. Their versatility and nutritional value make them a no-brainer for snack time. 7. Edamame. This vibrant green snack is a staple in Asian cuisine and has taken the health world by storm. Edamame, or steamed soybeans, is loaded with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and calcium. Sprinkle a little sea salt or chili powder for a flavor-packed treat that's as satisfying as it is nutritious. Plus, it's fun to eat, making it a great choice for mindful snacking. 8. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Looking for a refreshing and unique snack? Cottage cheese paired with pineapple strikes the perfect balance of creamy and sweet. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein and calcium, while pineapple adds natural sweetness and vitamin C. This combination is not only tasty but also energizing, making it a favorite for a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. 9. Dark chocolate. Craving something sweet? Dark chocolate is your answer. Rich in antioxidants and known for its mood-boosting properties, dark chocolate can be a healthy indulgence when consumed in moderation. Look for varieties with at least 70% cocoa for maximum health benefits. Pair it with a handful of nuts or fresh fruit for a luxurious and balanced snack. 10. Whole grain crackers with avocado. Avocado toast may have taken the spotlight, but whole grain crackers with avocado are just as tasty and far more portable. Avocado is rich in heart-healthy fats and nutrients, while the crackers provide a satisfying crunch and fiber. Top it with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, or red pepper flakes for an irresistible, nutrient-dense snack that's perfect for any time of day. Conclusion: healthy snacking doesn't have to be complicated or boring. These 10 snacks prove that you can nourish your body, satisfy your cravings, and enjoy every bite. Whether you're looking for something sweet, salty, or crunchy, there's an option here for you. Incorporating these snacks into your routine can help you stay on track with your health goals while enjoying a variety of flavors and textures. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow snack lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more health-focused content. Let us know in the comments which of these snacks are you excited to try. See you in the next video.